Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Greeting all. Today, welcome to our podcast. And today we have our special guest in here and our viewers in back there, our audience. Welcome. This is Fatur and this is Abil. So today we're gonna talking about the
Overseas program.
overseas programs that will be a topic by Fatur and Abil. Okay, but for the first, because of maybe one of you didn't know the profile of them, so let them to introduce themselves.
Start from Abil first kan ya? Iya.
Yeah.
Abil first ya Bil.
Hello everyone, my name is Habib Rashid Asbiromoa. I'm from Indonesia and, and I live in Tangerang in West Java. What again?
Where exactly the Tangerang?
Yeah.
Cikokol, not Batu Ceper, not Batu Ceper, Cikokol.
Okay.
Near Tang City Mall.
Okay.
What again?
Okay, I know Tangsit. You?
Okay, I introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fatur Rizky Fardillah. Usually called Fatur. I am at 11th grade, especially at 11 TKG at Aiden Boarding School. I live in Bogor. To be precise, is in Citerep near Cibinong. If you guys don't know, you can just go to. It's near Sentul City. That's it. And then my hometown is in Padang, and my hobby is playing laptop and yeah, playing games maybe like that lah. And then literature related, astagfirullah. And then what else ya?
Udah.
What else? What else?
What's your father name?
Okay.
Okay. We give back to Adit
Okay.
for the host.
From your guys, what introduce? I listened that your English is very good, and I'm really
No.
curious that did you have any what planning to go to overseas or having some education on overseas?
Yeah, Adil wants to talk.
No.
Let him talk.
Which one? Which one? Which one? Okay. Just rock paper scissors or maybe rock paper scissors.
Yeah, I'm first.
Oh, you first. Okay.
Uh, for my case, going overseas is of course part of my planning in the
Huh?
future, such as uh, going to study abroad in university abroad, and also maybe if I could, I will also apply for job at outside of Indonesia maybe
Okay.
if I'm able to. For well, of course, it won't be easy to achieve them, and so I've in the last 2 or a year, I've been preparing for it.
What about you?
I will.
Okay, of course, I wanna for my planning for overseas program is to continue to the university, and for the country that is my purpose is Singapore.
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 Okay. Do you want to go to Nus?
Yes, of course. Yeah, the
That's
reason
good, that's
because
good.
it's near to Indonesia,
Huh?
and also maybe for the culture, is I can adapt more faster because it's still in Asia, and also it's one of the country in ASEAN.
Okay,
Yeah.
wait.
I agree.
Did you already plan about the living cost? Because I heard that living cost in Singapore is.
He's rich. Don't worry, he's rich.
Amin.
For living costs, I'm not thinking until there because now I'm fictional high school,
Huh?
and I joined a program namely is scooters.
Scooters. Okay.
Yeah, you know scooters from
Yeah.
Ruang Guru.
I know. I know.
Yeah, I joined that program, and my planning is not only go to the university, but also get the scholarship.
Okay.
So I think I want to search scholarship that already include for the living cost.
Living cost. Oh.
So maybe yeah, I don't know there's the scholarship or no, but I hope I can get the scholarship that include money for living costs, for food, and for my uh, school school things. Yeah,
Okay.
school things like buy some book or other.
Okay. All right. All right. And I'm really curious that why did you choose to get education programs in overseas rather than in Indonesia? Because you know what, in Indonesia also has many nice university, right? But why you pretend to choose the overseas than in Indonesia to get education? Why?
May I have one of the link?
Okay, sure, sure,
Sorry.
sure, 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 sure. That's okay. That's okay.
Uh, One of the most notable difference is that, as we all know, the university or the education system at abroad or overseas is much more better than in Indonesia. That is, uh, you can search a lot on Google on the education system, the uh, condition of the country, like how is it.
Mhm.
It is totally better than the current condition of Indonesia and the current education system of Indonesia. Yeah, maybe that's the main point.
All right.
But what country become your purpose?
Yeah.
You say you are research
Yeah.
for
Is
the
there?
country what
Yes. For my
country
country,
condition.
yes,
Because we know that now there is some conflict
yes,
Yeah.
between American and Iran.
yes.
So I think your research did
No, actually, no. I haven't searched.
no.
No, I haven't searched that far. I haven't searched that far. Just
Okay.
the main point of those.
So what country that become your purpose?
Some countries that I've highlight for my uh, potential future universities potential is maybe, yeah, it's maybe Turkey.
Turkey.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because it's a Muslim, what is it, Muslim country.
Muslim country.
Yeah. Or maybe in Madinah,
Okay.
because my parent is also very support it at Madinah.
I almost just asked why he didn't choose Madinah.
Of course, I cannot. My parents wants me to go to Madinah, so my parents can also go to Madinah.
Okay. And after that, you guys already get education in there, maybe
Yes.
next time. But after you guys got what? Graduate,
Yes.
you guys wanna get live life in there or not?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Could be, yeah. There is a chance that maybe. I believe so. Maybe. The well depends on the later the condition and situation. If I'm forced to go back, if it's family matter, if it's urgent, I will, of course, go back to Indonesia for a bit.
But if you see the condition like in the overseas, like in the Europe,
Yes.
they have a conflict, right? Many
Yes,
conflict
yes,
outside,
yes,
and also you can also see in Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
Indonesia rumors, there are many
Yes.
conflict also, right?
Yes.
Like yeah, you guys know in the news, right? I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it because I don't want to get
Yes. Yes.
there is something about the rules. I don't want to talk about that. Later, I got arrested by the police. Okay, okay. Which one did you rather that? You choose to go to outside overseas, or maybe you go to Indonesia? If like that, if you see
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the rumors like
Yeah.
that, the conflict right there.
If my country that I'm staying in is has more danger potential gitu ya, like that. I'll probably go back. Like they say, it's better to be safe than to be sorry.
Hmm.
So to prevent any more uh,
What? Any
what is
dangers?
it? Yeah, any dangers, prevent any more dangers. Means yeah, like that lah, dangers. I will choose a safer place to be. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What about
Yes,
you?
yes, yes, yes. And for Abil, you want to talk?
What the
Did you read being to choose Indonesian or still in the outside in the overseas to education? When you see there is a conflict, like Indonesia, there is a conflict. In overseas also there is, like in the Europe.
Yes.
I think it's
Or maybe
depending on the conflict.
Ah.
yes, yes.
If the conflict is like American and Iran,
Hmm?
I will go back to Indonesia because
Okay.
I think it's dangerous.
Yes, yes, yes.
But if the conflict is like in the government, like corruption, like Indonesia, yeah, there's so many rats,
Ah, I
so like
know.
that. Maybe I can think about it.
Okay.
But
Then
yeah,
okay, why you didn't choose in China? Because you know, right? China also have uh many good university, right?
yes.
Yes.
But maybe they didn't public the university.
Okay, so for the information that I searched from internet and also uh, last time there is extension
Hmm?
scholarship extension that come to my school. It's in IDN.
Okay.
Say that use in China the language is Chinese, not
Yeah.
English.
Okay.
But or not full Chinese, but we can mix it with English
Hmm.
and Chinese. But most of the language that used is Chinese.
Okay.
And I lazy to learn new language because I still learning English.
Yes, yes, I agree.
So I don't want to learn any language for now.
Yeah.
And for the second is the person says that student that want to go to Chinese university is mostly pick business
Major.
Business
major,
major.
yeah, business
Oh.
major. Yeah, because I want to continue my IT major because I'm now is TKJ.
Yes.
I wanna continue my IT, so I don't want to go to China because yeah, most the major that is good in China is business. So I think I wanna go to Singapore because it's one of the best, one of the biggest IT country,
Yes.
and become the main what ya main IT country, right?
Oh.
Because
Okay.
there's many server
Yeah, yeah.
in Singapore,
Singapore.
right? Like that.
You? What about?
Yes, you're right.
So, why don't I choose China?
Ah.
Well, it's China is actually pretty cool. Also, it's a pretty good country. It has a lot of good universities and a lot of uh, scholarship that I can choose. But again, well, doing worship, doing praying over there, it may be hard and a little bit uh, yeah harder than Turkey or Marina.
So in
And
Chinese is very is
knowledge,
more harder
yeah, I
to
think so.
God worship. Okay.
Uh, I actually haven't really researched about China,
Ah. Okay.
but it's one of the most bright country, of course. I know that their technology has also developed more. than us, most majority of country, and they will make their universities, of course, also uh, they also developed than other.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then why? What is it? Ah, continue again. I forgot. Maybe later.
Okay. Okay. And so China is good. It's actually one of my list
Hmm.
after Madinah and Turkey. Madinah and Turkey is actually one of my list also.
Why not Taiwan?
By
In Taiwan.
but you hate the people. But you hate the people of China.
he one of them.
No, 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 no,
He one of them.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
What? Why
Yeah,
you
that's
didn't?
awesome.
Why you didn't make the list? Why you not didn't add the list that is the university in in Thailand, in Taiwan? Why? Taiwan is also good, right? You did know
Yeah,
the
it's also
Sebastian
good.
Teddy, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Why did you didn't choose that also?
I haven't really searched any universities in Taiwan, sih.
Oh, you didn't.
Yeah,
Okay.
because the one that piqued my interest is like China, Singapore, what is it again? Yeah, Madinah,
Hmm.
Turkey, and like that. For
Okay.
Taiwan, I haven't really searched about them yet.
Okay. In Madinah. Maybe I will playing as the people who doesn't know anything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And Madinah is the city that really famous about the Islam, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in the Medina, which one the campus did you wanna take?
Wait.
Yes, of course.
Wim. Okay.
We.
University
Yeah.
Islam of Medina. Okay. So because of in Medina is really famous with the Islam culture.
Mm.
So did you go to the Medina once to become the sheikh, become the teacher, or maybe or learn Islam or about what? Or there is IT also in Medina.
Uh, at first, at Madinah, I've actually wanted to take a little bit uh, like sideways from my major.
Oh, so there is cyber also.
Yeah, there is also no,
Oh.
there haven't been cyber yet. I haven't
Ah,
added cyber yet.
okay.
But there is computer science. There is computer
Computer
science, but
science.
it's
Oh, there is
newly added.
also.
Yeah.
There's also in Medina.
Yes, that's also. But it's new. But it's
Okay.
new.
Oh,
They just
that
added
is
it.
new.
That is not good
Yeah.
if we compare to other
Of course,
country
of
like
course.
Oh.
Yes.
why you choose
Yeah.
choose Madinah?
No. I don't. I never said I will choose computer science.
Okay.
Okay.
So what major you choose?
Maybe I don't know.
Or you want to choose about worship?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's only
But
maybe.
in fiction, I first choose IT. Why you
yeah.
What?
Why you in
why you
the
choose,
vocational?
when you fiction actual you choose IT major, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But why you choose worship?
Yeah.
worship
Is it
in
like
Madinah?
is it like what how to say? Yeah, like that.
Because I think most people that are the choose IT major
Mhm.
or learn IT
Mhm.
from high school
Yeah.
just want to connect their IT skills.
Yes.
But why you choose worship major?
Yeah, because no many people that after they from vocational go to the university choosing the different major from there in the vocational. So is it like are you okay with that with your choice or not?
Because you will face a new challenge
Mm.
and new
Yes.
culture, new environment.
Uh, I pretty feel like religion should be studied first. I don't know, because in my whole life, pretty much a lot of times I've been stuck. I've been like stuck in a maze, like I don't know. Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where else to go. But then suddenly Allah gave me ways and other like that. So I feel like maybe I should study religion more rather than IT more, because I feel maybe IT I can learn it uh, via online.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Learn IT from
Mhm.
online.
Because honestly, computer science is not really a I don't I'm not really optimistic. Not hard. I mean like uh how do I say this? Computer science mainly learn about developing application and like that, right?
Hmm.
Programming. While I feel like the AI these days are developing more rapidly, more quickly. So I figured I would probably take something more physical related rather than computer science, maybe like engineering or something like that. Uh, this is about this is a bit far fetched actually.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, this is this. So yeah, I feel like well, my main point is Madinah is actually just one of my one of my potential university. I will also think about the other university because honestly, I am not uh, I haven't choose yet
Okay.
what profession will I get later.
Okay. So for now, you didn't know where
Yes.
campus that you wanna
Yeah.
go into. Okay.
Either I will go to engineering university or Regis University.
Okay. Okay. We already about the
Yeah.
education and that I know you already prepared also, right?
Hmm?
Or haven't?
I haven't really looked at that.
Okay. You already prepared, right? In scooter. Okay.
They have scooter, bro.
Okay. How many?
It's so good, bro. Scooter is so
Oh yeah.
expensive.
Okay.
Depending on the people, bro.
Okay. We will promotion the scooters to the audience. Okay. How much is it? It cost.
Why you ask me that, bro? You can search in Google.
It's okay. Just feel it. Just feel it.
It's really expensive.
Okay.
Yeah, because the package is uh because there's three package is just for uh a consultation about the how to apply, about the scholarship, about the CV, how to build the CV, and for the knowledge like SAT or IELTS, it's terpisah what terpisah.
Make it the difference maybe. It's
It's
Separated.
separated.
it's
Separated.
separated packets.
Yeah.
So if you want to buy all of the packets, it's pretty expensive.
Mhm.
Maybe and in one packet there's three type. It's like we can say it's small, medium, and large. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we choose large, we can get many what uh
Benefit.
benefit. Yeah, we can get many benefit, but it costs more.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Like what? The benefit. So if we take the large.
So the system is like token.
Uh,
So one token is 1 hour. So
Oh.
if the token is already out of token, we cannot learn from the mentor. We just can learn by ourselves or just review again the material because uh, the mentor is giving a module. Yes.
okay. I wanna ask. If we take the large package, so like this, there you say there is small, medium, and large, right?
Yeah, we can select that.
Okay. So if I take medium, is there any how to say jaminan? Jaminan?
Guarantee.
Yeah.
Guarantee.
Is there any guarantee that we will get the minimum maybe get accepted by one or two university
Um,
if we take
medium
the large package
or the
because it's really expensive, right?
I think it's I think I
I
think
think.
it's
Okay.
depending on the person because if we buy the package or join the Scotus program, it's not there is no guarantee we can accept by the university abroad,
Hmm.
but we can the guarantee is we can get uh, the right knowledge or the right journey if because we don't need to think what else we want to learn
Do you like?
because they already give what knowledge that we must learn, so
Okay.
we don't need to think about that again, but it's depending on the person is understand or not, like
Okay.
that.
So it can be there is student that we will not accept in every
Yeah,
university.
maybe.
Maybe okay, okay. Okay guys, we already talked about the education and now we're gonna talk about the job. You got
Job, okay.
work in the abroad like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that maybe you guys will have many topic. Yeah, many topic that you gotta give it to me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What about you? Like, is there any country that you wanna go to work? Like maybe in the U.S. or the other country maybe?
Later I will apply Apple ya.
Apple.
Apple ya.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Yes,
Why?
later the network connection will be faster. There will be 1 gigabyte, 1 gigabyte per second.
Loh.
But you already prepare or no for to get accept?
Oh, of course.
Of course
Yeah, of course.
not. What about you?
For the company, I don't. I'm still not yet about the company become my purpose.
Okay.
But for the country, I think it's US or
Hmm.
country in Europe because the salary is high,
Of course, yeah.
the high. But my plan is want to remote from Indonesia. So
Oh,
yeah, you know,
Yeah.
I almost think that he want to took in US. Then I wanna ask to him, what about the living cost? Because in US,
Yeah.
living cost is very expensive,
yeah,
right?
because the normal salary in maybe in US the salary is normal
Huh?
because the cost is high.
Mm.
But if I live in Indonesia with salary with salary in US, it's gonna be so big.
Yeah, yeah, that's
So
true.
in
That's true.
Indonesia, like I already become manager, but in US, I still a normal person, a normal
Normal
work.
worker, office
Yeah, first
worker.
worker. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay.
Next.
Then
You want water or not?
I don't know. If education, I wanna take Indonesia first.
Siapa?
Yeah, Indonesia
Why?
first.
Why?
Cause yeah, from my basic, from my skill, and I just wanna took first. Maybe for the first university I wanna take in Indonesia first. The first education in university.
Oh, and then you will go outside.
Yeah, in Indonesia there is sarjana satu, sarjana dua, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and the next I wanna take in abroad. So, because I wanna make myself to become what's it do? Lebih matang.
Major.
Yeah, more mature. Then after that, when in the next education, I become more mature when I go to abroad. Because I'm scared that if in overseas I got changed, right? like when I go to Indonesia, oh my God, I did already changed like that.
Yes. Yes.
Because I
I
care
agree,
like that.
yes. Yes.
Okay, what else?
Okay, next what house? Our house. What is the next question?
Okay. Uh, did you did did you pretend to choose to live in Indonesia or maybe in overseas later? If you already finished all like work, maybe in when you get old before you die.
We
Which
were really thinking that
you didn't
was
listen.
yes.
What about you?
I think I will go back to Indonesia.
From Indonesia.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
it.
so
Tahun ya.
so you will
My hometown, bro.
work hard in overseas, and after that you got die in Indonesia.
Like this I say, I wanna my plan is to work abroad, but
But remote.
remote.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think I will stay in Indonesia, or maybe after that I will leave some business to my child. Like that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Which one? Who? This.
Father, father,
Father.
father.
Okay. Okay.
Not too heavy lah ya. Too heavy lah ya.
Okay. You say that you wanna continue to university, right?
Yeah, maybe sih.
With scholarship or not?
Scholarship maybe.
Maybe, but if for example,
Mm-mm.
if you don't get the scholarship,
Yes. Worst case.
yeah,
Worst case, yes. What?
plan?
your plan if you don't get the your scholarship, your plan.
That's the thing.
Because there is a gap 1 year, right?
Mm-mm, like that. That's why I may apply in Madinah because there's no ini right. There's no tuition. There's a tuition.
Okay.
That is free, and I also got what is it? I also got paycheck every month, every week or every month.
Every month.
Every month. Every month. That's my backup plan, my safety net for applying in Madinah.
Okay.
Yes, maybe that's all.
How about you, Adit?
What?
I have a backup plan if your plan is not running well.
No, there is no because I only choose in Indonesia.
Yeah, second choice. Your second choice.
Because I choose prefer to choose education in Indonesia first. There's no backup.
Yes,
No, no.
Prepare that.
Because
So
never
you're
prepare, never
confident
prepare.
to get accepted to by university.
Yeah, in Indonesia.
always I did that.
The point is
First.
Indonesia, not go to overseas first.
Yes.
Maybe just next. That. Okay, thank you guys.
That's all.
That's all. Okay, we're done. That's all, guys. That we can talk today in this podcast, and I'm really give a big thanks and appreciate you guys that already watched this video and listening our podcast, our what?
Yes, thank you. Podcast
Talkative,
overseas
yeah, chit chat. Okay, like this. What is this? Overseas program. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And I'm really sorry as the host if there is a mistake from my word or maybe from
Yes,
my
we do apologize if we made any mistakes
yeah.
along the podcast.
Is there any pray for us?
Stay. Don't give up ya guys ya.
Okay, don't give up. Okay,
Salah, I don't.
okay. Thank you, guys. That's all that I can say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow.